Wonder what it is like to take an online professional education course at Villanova University? Well, first you should know that all of our courses are taught by faculty experts with impressive real-world experience. These are people that have led projects, teams, and organizations and want to share what they've learned. They're passionate about their subject, but even more, they care deeply about their students and want you to be successful. That personal connection, as well as the desire to build strong, inclusive communities, is what makes an education from Villanova so special.
Classes at Villanova offer a rich learning experience where you can interact with your professor, your classmates, and the course materials in a dynamic learning experience. We use a modern and user-friendly learning management system called Canvas, which is the preferred platform for online learning at top universities. When you open the course from your dashboard, you will see a welcome screen that outlines the weekly modules. Upcoming assignments appear on the course calendar. To check your progress, you can click on the grades section. And you can always message your instructor through the Canvas inbox. There are recorded lectures that you can watch on your own time to gain an understanding of foundational concepts. All recorded lectures include searchable transcripts to help you find a particular concept or term for review. But you can only learn so much from listening to an expert. To develop deep understanding and mastery of a subject, you must practice, apply, and reflect. To help with that application of knowledge, our classes have a variety of assignments and projects where you get to apply what you learned to various scenarios or to reflect on how you would apply what you learned to your actual work. Classes also include online discussions where thought-provoking questions, problems, and scenarios generate great conversations. Our live sessions are what really sets Villanova apart. This is where you get to interact directly with your professor and classmates, ask questions, and learn from one another in very hands-on ways. Our student body is diverse, representing many different industries, roles, and past experiences, which fosters an engaging peer-to-peer learning environment.
At Villanova, you will expand your professional network and develop relationships with your professors and fellow students that can serve as a resource for you throughout your professional life. Online learning at Villanova combines state-of-the-art technology and academic excellence with people who care.